Imagine having a second brain, one that remembers everything, organizes your ideas, and even helps you write, plan, and create faster than ever before. That's exactly what Kortex promises. In this video, we're going to dive into this brand new AI-powered note-taking and writing platform that's getting a lot of attention in the productivity and creator community. Stick around, because I'll show you how it works, why people are calling it a game changer, and whether it really deserves a spot in your AI toolkit. We've all tried apps like Notion, Obsidian, or even Google Docs. They're great in their own ways, but the truth is, none of them were built from the ground up with AI in mind. Kortex is different. It calls itself an AI-powered second brain, and that means it doesn't just store your notes. It actually thinks with you and helps you build on your ideas. Here's where it really shines. First, there's the AI-powered writing assistant. With just a tap of a key, you can turn a rough thought into a polished note, outline, or even a full draft. Then, there are more than 25 AI workflows already built in, covering things like content creation, marketing, learning, and planning. That means you don't start from scratch. The system already knows what you need. Another powerful feature is document support. You can drag in a PDF and then chat with it directly, pulling insights and references in seconds. The search function is also smarter than most apps. Instead of endlessly scrolling, you can find ideas by related words, tags, or highlights, almost like searching your own brain. And maybe the most unique thing? Kortex doesn't limit you to one AI. You can pick between models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Llama, depending on what works best for you. So, what does all this mean in practice? If you're a writer, your drafts get done in half the time. If you're a student, research becomes much faster and more organized. If you're a creator or entrepreneur, you can capture every idea and instantly turn it into content without the frustration of a blank page. To put it in perspective, Notion is fantastic for structure, but AI feels like an add-on. Obsidian is great for linking ideas, but it can be overwhelming. And ChatGPT is powerful, but it doesn't know your personal notes. Kortex combines all of that, your notes, your documents, and world-class AI models, into a single creative hub that actually works alongside you. Head over to kortex.co. So when you first click on Get Kortex Free on their website, you'll be asked to create your account. This part is simple and only takes a few seconds. You'll see a sign-up form where you need to enter your name, email address, and a password. Once you've entered your details, you just hit the Sign Up button, and Kortex will create your account instantly. After that, you may be asked to verify your email. Just check your inbox, click the confirmation link, and you're good to go. From there, you'll be redirected straight into your personal Kortex workspace. That's when you'll see the Welcome to Kortex screen. This acts like your quick start guide. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice sections like Capture, Chat, and your library. Capture is where you can jot down ideas on the go. Chat is where you can interact with AI, run workflows, or reference your documents. And the library is where all your notes, documents, and saved projects will live. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a section titled Start Here. This explains the best ways to begin using Kortex, such as taking notes on a book or video, writing social content, drafting articles or video scripts, creating client worksheets, or even planning your personal projects. Just below that, there's a checklist of features you can immediately try. For example, you can create documents for your writing and notes, use Capture to jot down quick ideas, use Chat to run AI flows or reference documents, and even paste a YouTube video link into Chat to generate a transcript. You also have the option to connect your highlights from Readwise or drag in PDFs to start building your knowledge base. On the bottom left, Kortex also gives you the option to download the desktop app for a smoother experience. This is handy if you want the platform installed directly on your computer, rather than just in the browser. Essentially, the moment you sign up, you're not dropped into an empty workspace. Kortex immediately shows you how to use it and gives you ready-to-go tools so you can start writing, planning, or capturing ideas right away. So the process is, enter your details, confirm your email, and within a minute you're inside Kortex, ready to capture ideas, chat with AI, and build your own second brain. Once you've created your account and landed inside Kortex, you'll notice another powerful section called Chat. This is where most of the AI magic happens. At the top, you're greeted personally. Just below that, you have 4 quick options: create, market, learn, and plan. These are shortcuts that guide you into different types of workflows. For example, you can instantly start creating content, work on marketing tasks, learn something new, or plan projects. Right below, Kortex shows you a set of ready-made suggestions you can try out immediately. Things like learn how to use Kortex, the Kortex vision and philosophy, write incredible AI prompts, replicate any voice and writing style, and even recreate a YouTube video with your ideas. These are not just examples, they're live templates you can click on to see the AI in action. At the bottom, there's a chat input box where you can literally ask the AI anything. You can type your own request or even mention a document to reference it directly. You'll also notice that Kortex gives you the ability to choose your AI model. Here it shows Gemini 2 Flash selected, but you can switch between different models like ChatGPT, Claude, or others depending on what you need. Now I want to hear from you. Would you use something like Kortex as your daily second brain, or are you sticking with your current setup? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming breakdowns of the best AI tools shaping 2025.